The introduction of technology. From a factory technologies, cars, cell phones, laptops, drones, rockets, GPS, it helps a lot. It feels like it was just yesterday I disregarded the essence of studying about technology, and I misunderstood it. It played a big role in our living. Mostly people or individuals wanted to make their life easier, and technologies make our life easy. Our favorite meal in eating breakfast, foods, poultry, canned goods, preservative goods, etc. usually made easier by technology. Education. It helps build a better student-teacher relationship. Technologies in the classroom like projector helps consume our time in learning and teachers teaching. Disabled people, wheelchairs, hearing aid, walkers, prostheses, nothing's impossible. Technologies are also good to humans because it promotes to accomplish the disabled persons accomplish their difficulty in life or the things that they need to accomplish or changing how they interact with each other. I have realized that technology is very important for our modern world, for we can read offline books, magazines, comics, and watch our favorite films through our cell phones, and interact with our loved ones from far away. But then, technologies helps people, and people misuse it. Have you ever thought about your behavior when using social media? Did you apply a proper etiquette on the internet? Using internet helps people arises both good and bad services. In the internet, our professional life and personal life are separated. Our lesson gave me a chance to realize how much information can be accessed by a random stranger, especially if they were willing to pay the fee to access the full profile on some of the sites that have my phone address, phone number, family members. I need to spend my time on internet wisely. Always read terms and conditions. Do not just accept it. Read it. It is very important to be a reader on internet. Always narrow your thoughts when searching online. Look always for incredible sources. Avoid plagiarism. Always give credit to the author or the website.
I'll be the one that stays till the end, and I'll be the one that needs you again. And I'll be the one that proposes in a garden of roses, and truly loves you long after our curtain closes. But will you still love me when nobody wants me?